Hey, welcome back. This week I'm going to make some furniture. This is a shallow basin vanity top that I picked up. I've been wanting to put this in my bathroom. I tried ordering it last summer, but with all the pandemic and stuff, they says, nope, you're not going to have it till your building permit's expired. So I just put in a cheap pedestal sink, but it doesn't really fit the room. That's not how I designed everything. So I finally got a hold of one of these. Now I'm gonna build the base to hold this vanity. It's not gonna be anything with doors and cabinets. It's gonna be an open skeleton, probably just one shelf. So I'm gonna get this measured up and weld something up. And unusual for me, I'm actually gonna grind and sand my welds and clean things and paint them, which I usually don't do because I don't really need it for most of what I do. But this, since it's going to be inside, it's going to get a little extra treatment. Hey, I'm getting one last test fit in before I finish up the fabrication and make this thing heavier. I'm going to put my shelf in here and put plugs in the end of these legs for some thread-on feet I have left over from the shelving I bought for the shop. Because I bought the wheels, because I want to be able to move those around, I didn't need the feet, but I'll be able to use those feet on this instead. I put in the little rubber bumper things they give you to go under here to hold this thing in place. And they only have adhesive on one side, but man, this thing is sticking in place real good. It's not moving around. So this is gonna work real good when I get it set up and put in the bathroom. So I'm gonna finish this up and get it ready to install. All right, that's pretty much it. That's all I'm doing. I wanted a floating look here, no back leg. So I just got a bunch of grinding and cleaning, sanding. So I've cut this down, the big stuff with the grinding wheel, then use a little sanding flap disc, get it nice and smooth. Then I can wipe it all down with acetone and paint it. I know, it's weird for me too. I don't paint stuff. It's weird. Gonna fill it up and make sure the overflow doesn't leak. I think all this can move over just a little bit. A little too much. Now it's leaking. Alright, works great. This sucker's done. I'm gonna clean up a little bit here, stock my shelf. I'm gonna put my towels and probably extra paper there, things like that. And I'm gonna call this project done. It's what I had in mind. When I built the bathroom, I wanted this nice wide sink, which is why the Vanity is where it is. So it can be centered over the sink. I like it. Thanks for watching.